Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Mathematics 100 by 100. Here is a problem where an aircraft is flying at a height of 2500 meters above the ground, and from a point on the ground the angle of elevation of the plane is said to be 45 degree. After 15 seconds the plane moves to the another position, and from the same point the angle of elevation is said to be 30 degrees. We need to find the speed of the plane. So here we have point A, B, C, D, E. Now I am going to consider triangle BED. Before that, I would like to say that since angle CBA, that is 45 degree, the angle of elevation is 45 degree, therefore this angle is also 45 degree. 45 degree. Therefore AC is equal to BC. AC is equal to BC because it is an isosceles triangle. When two angles are equal to each other, then the opposite sides are also equal to each other. So therefore the AC, which is 2500 meter, therefore BC is also equal to 2500 meters. Now we need to find the distance x, which is the total distance traveled by the plane. So before that, I am going to consider triangle BED. In triangle BED, we have opposite, that is 2500 meters, divided by x. So tan 30 is equal to 2500 divided by x. So x is equal to 2500 divided by tan 30, that is 1 by root 3. So this is nothing but 2500 into root 3, which is approximately equal to 4330 meters. So this is the total distance traveled by the plane. So we need to find distance traveled by the plane from the first position to the second position. So therefore EA is equal to 4330 minus 2500, that is approximately equal to 1830 meters. So this is the total distance traveled by the plane from point A to point E. So the speed of the plane is equal to distance traveled divided by time taken. Therefore the total distance traveled is 1830 meters. The time taken is 15 seconds, which is already given in the question. So this is approximately equal to 122 meters per second. So this is the speed of the aeroplane. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.